Alright, we got something pretty neat to talk about today. The Kokuyo Harinacs. It's a press stapler. They also make a cut-through stapler, kind of a keyhole, ends up cutting through the paper. This one actually does a neat little indention. There's these 10 little marks on the paper. See if you can see that there. And it holds the paper together fairly well. Now if we flatten out that little spot on the paper on a hard surface, what's neat about it, and the paper comes apart real nicely. Not a whole lot of reviews on it that I can see. I've used it for some business cards, holds business cards real nice. Doesn't seem to work real well with cardstock. Two pieces of cardstock or two business cards together doesn't give you a solid hold on it. So some of the things I kind of just threw together. 5 sheets of regular paper does really well. I usually do a corner, something along those lines. And this one I did 3 across the top, so then it gives us kind of a book. So that's kind of nice. And here, top corner, you can kind of see how it presses it down. And it holds it fairly well. As good as a staple anyway. The nice thing is when everything's all stacked up, it doesn't take up much room. You know, a staple or a paper clip will increase your corner of your stack by just a little bit. So this is typically how I do it, at the top left corner, and it holds it really nicely. Well, usually. Now, let's see. So you can kind of see how it works. You can fit up to 5 sheets of paper, stick it in there, cramp it down, you get a nice crimp. You can do multiple crimps if you need to hold something together a little bit better. So if you're trying to make a makeshift little pocket of some sort, you can do a few crimps around the outside and you end up with a little pocket. So that's kind of neat. I like it, not to have to worry about stocking up on staples or anything like that. You can mess with your counterparts putting all their business cards together. So that's what I got. The Harinacs press stapler. It's the SLN MPH 105. They sell it in green, blue, and white and pink. So pick one up, 10-15 bucks.